Hi everyone, this is Eman. Welcome to Christy and Eman Vlogs and hello to the new episode of Easy Learn. Today we'll be discussing about geometric sequence. So let's start now. So, ito na nga guys, dahil lots of you have suggested, Kuya, paano po ba makukuha ang next term for the geometric sequence? So na nga guys, I will let you know. Sana po ay makatulong ako sa inyo. So first, we have to define what is a geometric sequence first. So, geometric sequence, it is a sequence wherein each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant r called common ratio. So, common ratio na naman tayo guys dahil ang kaibahan ng geometric sequence at arithmetic sequence, ang arithmetic sequence guys ay common difference yun. Ito ay common ratio at the operation here is multiplication ang ina-apply dito sa geometric sequence. So, first, ano nga ba ang formula for the geometric sequence? So, ito na guys, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r or common ratio to the power of n minus 1. This is now the formula for the nth term for the geometric sequence. So, I will give you an example for you to understand further. Okay. Ito nga guys, we are already given a sub 1 natin ay negative 3. Ang r natin or common ratio is negative 2. All you need to do is to substitute all the given values here para makuha mo yung problem. So, ang problem here is that we are going to find the value for a sub 8. Okay, a sub 8 natin guys ay missing. So, ito ang hahanapin natin guys. We have to find the value for a sub 8. So, gagamitan natin ang formula. Since a sub 8 guys, we have to replace a sub n to a sub 8. So, a sub 8 is equal to, a sub 1 natin guys ay negative 3 times. Ang ating ratio or common ratio is negative 2. Since to the power of n minus 1. Always remember guys na kung ano ang value dito guys sa n, same as value here. Okay? Always remember that para hindi tayo malito. Okay. A sub 8, since here n natin ay 8 minus 1. Okay. Wag kayong ma-confuse kung saan galing tong negative 1, yung minus 1. Always constant number here in this formula. Okay. We have now to calculate. Negative 3 times negative 2. So, since 8 minus 1, that is 7. So, negative 3 times negative 2 to the power of 7, that is negative 128. So, yan na guys. So, E is equal to negative 3 times negative 128. So, the answer is 384. This is now our A sub 8. So, we have now the answer and the value for A sub 8, which is our problem. So, yan lang kasimple guys kung paano makuha ang value na hinahanap mo. Next guys, paano naman kung we are tasked to write an equation for the nth term? Simple as that. We are already given, so ito naman ibang example. Yan. Okay, sana ako ay naintindihan. A sub n natin is equal to a sub 1 times r or common ratio to the power of n minus 1. We are given the value guys na a sub 1 natin is equal to 3, then our common ratio is equal to 4. So, ang hinahanap natin dito guys ay dapat makakuha tayo ng equation. Okay. Same as our problem in number 1. We have to use the same formula. Okay, a sub n natin dahil we are tasked to get and to make an equation for it. So, a sub 1 natin guys is 3 times ang common ratio natin is 4 to the power of n minus 1. Since ang hinahanap nila guys ay formula lamang, so this is now our formula in getting the next term for the problem. This is now our equation. Okay. Sana po ako ay naintindihan. So, nagdidepende lamang guys kung ano ang sinabi sa problem guys. If you have to find the next value for the geometric sequence or you are tasked to get or to make an equation for the problem. Sana po ay ako naiintindihan. So, we now have to go to geometric means. So, paano nga ba ang geometric means? Geometric means that these are missing terms between two non-successive terms. If you say non-successive terms, so it means ito ay mga terms na hindi na magkasunod, mga numbers na hindi magkasunod. So, ano naman ang, for example, para mas maintindihan ako guys, mag-example na naman muna tayo. Okay. The problem is 2. These are the given values. 4. Then, yan. Then, up to 30. 64 pala. Okay, 64. Ayan. 64 guys. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6 terms. So, ang 64, that is our A sub 6. And then 2 is our A sub 1. And 4 is our A sub 2. Okay. We are tasked to get the 3 missing terms in this problem. All we need to do, guys, is, paano nga ba? So, we have to find the missing terms. A sub 1 natin is 2. Okay, we have to use the same formula. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 times R, or common ratio to the power of n minus 1. So, A sub n natin, guys, always remember na A sub n natin, guys, ay dapat hindi tayo hindi natin gagamitin tong A sub 1 dahil given na dito ang A sub 1. So, you can use A sub 2 or whatsoever. Basta wag lang ang A sub 1. Okay. A sub 2, so we can use A sub 2 here. So, A sub 2 is equal to A sub 1. Ano ba ang A sub 1 natin? 2 times common ratio natin. Paano nga ba makukuha? So, since we are not given the common ratio, guys, so ito na naman ang gagamitin natin. Okay, common ratio, so R lamang muna dyan. Dahil, so, imagine natin na wala pa tayong common ratio. Since ang value ng n natin is 2 minus 1. Dito muna tayo. A sub 2 natin ay 4. It's equal to 2 times R to the power of 1. Dahil 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Since para makuha natin ang R natin, guys, so we have to transpose 2 here. So, yan na. 4 minus 2 is equal to R. Bakit naging negative? Always remember, guys, kapag nag-transpose ka ng isang value to the other side, the opposite sign will come out. Okay. Kapag positive dito, guys, magiging negative. Kapag negative naman dito, guys, magiging positive dito. So, 4 minus 2, that is 2. It's equal to R. So, our common ratio here now is 2. So, now we can find the next terms or our geometric means. Since our A sub 2 is 4. Okay, A sub 2 natin is 4. So, i-times lang natin, guys, yan sa ating common ratio. So, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So, 8 na. So, this is our third term. Okay, 8 na dito. Next, A sub 3 na, A sub 3 pala. A sub 4 natin. Tapos, A sub 5. A sub 4 natin, guys, since ang A sub 3 natin is 8. So, 8 times 2, that is, our A sub 4 now is 16. So, that is our fourth term. Okay, 16 dito. A sub 5 natin, since our A sub 4 or the fourth term is 16, so times 2 na naman. So, that is 32. This is our fifth term. So, yan na, guys. So, 32. So, the 3 missing terms in our geometric means or geometric sequence is R, 8, 16, and 32. So, yan na, guys. Next is geometric series. So, if you say geometric series, guys, the sum of the sequence. Okay, the sum of the sequence, guys, there is already an operation. If you say 2, 4, 8, 16, this is an example of a geometric sequence. If sabihin mong 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, this is now a geometric series because you are now getting the sum of it. Okay. Geometric series na yan, guys. So the formula for the geometric series is, wait muna guys ha. Okay, the formula for the geometric series is S sub n. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. Yan na ang ating formula for the geometric. This is our formula for the geometric series. So always remember, sum of the elements in a sequence, that is the geometric series. Same as arithmetic series, guys. So we are already given na ang a sub 1 natin ay, so a sub 1 natin guys daw ay 2. Ang common ratio natin is 2. Our n is 15. So these are the given values. All we need to do is to what? To substitute the given values for us to get the geometric series of the given problem. Okay, S sub n, dito muna tayo guys. Okay, S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r, or common ratio, to the power of n over 1 minus r. Okay, dito na naman tayo. Since our n here is 15, so S sub 15. Okay, substitute only the given value for n here, 15. A sub 1 natin is 2 times 1 minus r natin is, common ratio natin is 2 to the power of 15. Okay, over 1 minus 2, which is the common ratio. Okay, if you're going to solve this guys, kayo na ang magsosolve kung ano ang resulta, but the answer for this is 65,534. So this is now the sum of the elements or the terms being added in the geometric sequence. Yan ang geometric series. Magkaiba ang geometric series at geometric sequence guys ha. Ang geometric sequence, walang operation. But ang geometric series, there is already an operation. Okay. Ito naman tayo sa sigma notation. Ang sigma notation, it can also be a representation for your geometric series. Okay, geometric series natin. Himo na tayo. Okay, geometric series natin. Okay, sigma notation. For the sigma notation, I will give you the example na, no guys, para mas maintindihan nyo. Okay. Summation to ha, summation. So, n is equal to 1 to 6. Dayon 5 times 2 n minus 1. Okay, that is the given problem. Paano ba ito i-read? So how are we going to read this? 5 times 2 to the power of n minus 1, as n goes from 1 to 6. 5 times 2 to the power of n minus 1, as n goes from 1 to 6. 1 here is the lowest value or the term. 6 is the highest term. Okay. Paano nga ba ito? All we need to do is to substitute the given values. 5 times 2. N natin ay 1. Dahil 1 ang pinaka-lowest value. So, 1 minus 1. Okay. Yan na guys. Plus 5. 2 to the power of n natin is 2 minus 1. And then plus 5 times 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. Okay, always remember ha, 1 up to 6. Up to 6 ang power na ito guys. Okay, plus 5 to the power of 4 minus 1 plus 5, then 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 plus 5 to the power of 6 minus 1. Ayan guys, substitute only the values for n. Okay, 1 up to 6. So the answer for that is 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 40 plus 80 plus 160. So the answer for this is 315. This is now your what? The sum of the elements in the geometric sequence. Okay. Kung pwede din gagamitin nyo yung, geometric series if saan kayo komportable na gagamitin. So, you can use either geometric series formula or dito sa sigma notation. Depende kung ano ang given or kung ano ang task na ibinigay sa iyo ng problem. So, para ma-solve natin to guys, we can also use geometric series, the formula for geometric series in finding the answer for this if same ba sila. Okay. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r n then 1 minus r. Since ang kukunin lang natin ay S sub 6 guys. S sub 6 dahil there are 6 terms. 1 up to 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 terms. A sub 1 natin is ilan ang A sub 1 natin? So, 5 ang A sub 1 natin guys. Ito, 5. Okay, 5 times 1. Ang R natin, ilan ang R natin? So, 2. 2 ang R natin. Okay. 2. Then, to the power of n, 6. 1 minus 2. So, here, S sub 6 natin ay 5 times negative 63. Negative 63 to the power of negative 1. To power over negative 1, sorry. Okay, 1 minus, okay, 2 to the power of 6. So, i-calculate nyo lang yan. 2 to the power of 6. Then, 1 minus 2 to the power of 6. The answer is negative 63. So, 5 times negative 63, that is, what? Negative 300? Negative 315. Divided by negative 1, that is 315. So, same sila ng answer, guys. It's either ito ang gagamitin nyo or ito. Depende sa teacher nyo kung ano ang gusto niyang gamitin nyo. Okay? Sana ay naintindihan nyo ang lesson na ito. So, bye! So that's the end of our discussion. I hope that you've learned something. Please like, share, comment down below for more suggestions, and hit the bell button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button for you to be notified to our next videos. Always remember guys that learning is knowledge and knowledge is power. So you better study smartly. Bye-bye!